read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Natwi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. We are going to learn letter F, its formation, its sound, and vocabulary words. Let's start with me how to write small letter F. It's lowercase letter F. Start from the dot, make a cap, come straight down, make a cut. It will make small f. Start from the dot, make a cap, come straight down, make a cut. It will make small f. The letter name is F and the sound of F is fish. Fish. The frog smells the floor. The frog smells the floor. Beautiful smell. What does the frog smell? Good. Floor. That's like a good boy. How does a frog walk? What does it call? It's called hop. Look here. Very good. It's time to mime. Let hands get together and do like that. See? Fish. Fish. Now it's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.